cells. And because I said, and another lady with you.
In many areas where people have encroached land, it becomes a security issue. And as a government, we are trying our level best to make sure in forests and lands where people have encroached by force, they should be removed and they go where they belong. Even in our offices, we have our own intelligence network. And I believe this is the time when the teachers, principals, they should also have their intelligent informers, former students. And I know when I was in high school, we used to have informers who are students who inform the administration what is going on in school. And if they have informers, definitely they'll know as and when the students plan to ban a school, or they plan to have a demonstration, or they plan to do something which is opposite to the wish of the school.